All right, now let's get you latest information on the raid that is currently on at a location in Jammu. Our Jammu Bureau Chief Tejinder is at the raid site and sources are telling him that a house in the Gandhinagar area is currently being searched. Sources are telling Republic TV that the NI team has seized incriminating evidence from this house belonging to a businessman, Kamar Agarwal, who's under the scanner for alleged terror funding. We've brought you exclusive visuals of the raid sites in Srinagar, and now these are exclusive information coming in from the Jammu site as well. Tejinder is over the phone line with me. Tejinder, tell us more. You're at the raid site now in Jammu.
Yes, indeed. Earlier in the morning, the NIA team raided the GM Trading Corporation, which is the dry fruit store, the wholesale dry fruit store owned by Mr. Kamar Agarwal. After raiding the GM Trading Corporation, the NIA team seized some of the documents from that store, and later it also took into custody Mr. Kamal Agarwal, who is being quizzed by the NIA team at the police station in Gandhinagar. Just a few minutes ago, the NIA team went to the house of Mr. Kamal Agarwal in the posh Gandhinagar area, and they raided it. They also seized some. We have been told that those are very important documents as far as this whole investigation is concerned. They seized some documents from the house of Mr. Kamal Agarwal, and the NIA team just now left, and they are trying to ascertain what's all in these documents. Mr. Kamal Agarwal, these Agarwals who have been running this business by the name of GM Trading Corporation, mostly deals in dry fruit. And what the sources in NIA have told Republic, they tell us that this Mr. Kamal Agarwal, he used to get dry fruits from across the border from the LOC through cross LOC trade. So the dry fruits used to come to him. He as the cross LOC trade is mostly relies on barter trade system, there is no cash involved. So Kamal Agarwal, the cash, the money for that dry fruit was given to the handlers of the separatists, who used to take the money and hand over to the separatists in the Kashmir Valley, which was used to fuel the unrest in the valley. So the NIA is investigating, but the sources have told us that all this was related to the California or almond trade, which was being sent from across the line of control from the Pakistan side. Mr. Agarwal used to receive those almonds here, and in exchange of those almonds, he was not sending anything, which is the rule at the cross LOC trade, but he used to hand over the money to the handlers, which in turn used to give the money to the separatists. This is what the insiders in the NIA have told us. They are still investigating the entire case, and they'll tell us later what they have come to know about, what documents they have seized. So it would become clear later, and they'll reveal what they have recovered during these raids.